Your facility has chosen to use SimplyThick EasyMix for your thickened beverage needs. This training video will demonstrate how to mix and use SimplyThick EasyMix with a variety of beverages. SimplyThick EasyMix is a revolutionary new thickener for people with thickened liquid diet orders. It is super easy to use and to mix with any utensil, even a spoon. Here you can see just a small sampling of the beverages that SimplyThick EasyMix will thicken: ice cream, alcohol, milk, juice, wine, beer, coffee, tea, soda, sports drinks, and ice cubes. With SimplyThick EasyMix, beverages maintain their consistency. You can prepare beverages ahead of time and store them as long as your local open container regulations allow. Although we can't answer every question in a short training video, here are some of the most common things people ask about SimplyThick EasyMix. SimplyThick EasyMix is kosher and halal. It is free of allergens we are aware of, including gluten, and is low in sugar, so it works well for diabetics. SimplyThick EasyMix products are tested to comply with the standards of the International Dysphagia Diet Standardization Initiative. Our labeling includes the IDDSI terms as well as the traditional terminology of nectar, honey, and pudding. However, for simplicity in this video, we are using the traditional terminology only. SimplyThick EasyMix comes in two packaging forms. First, we have IDDSI color-coded packets to thicken either individual 4-ounce servings or to prepare a bulk batch of 32 ounces. Next, we have a 2-liter bottle and pump system. Using the table found on the side of the bottle, it can be used to produce any consistency of a 4 ounces beverage. 1 full pump stroke is used for nectar thick, 2 full pump strokes are used for honey thick, and 4 full pump strokes are used for pudding thick. For this dietary department training video, we will show you how to use all of our packaging options. First, measure 32 ounces of orange juice into a pitcher. In this case, we are using a nectar bulk packet. Use the tear notch located on the colored end of the packet to open it. Start at the other end and work the thickener out of the packet. You can see it comes out very easily. Then take any handy appropriately sized utensil, usually a spoon, and mix until it has thickened for about 30 seconds. Towards the end of the mixing, you're going to feel the liquid become a little bit heavier on your stirring utensil. That's one way you know the thickener has been well mixed into your beverage. And here is the final product. You can pour what you need to serve now and store the rest. Now, if you have a single resident that needs a cup of coffee, you can use the 2-liter bottle and pump system. In this case, we will be making the coffee to nectar consistency. Measure a 4-ounce cup of coffee, and we recommend cooling it to below 155 degrees Fahrenheit before thickening. Add 1 full complete pump stroke to the cup, and mix with any handy utensil, a spoon, knife, fork, or even a straw or coffee stirrer until thickened, about 30 seconds. Creamer and sugar can be added to the resident's taste. Now the coffee is ready to serve. Next, we have 32 ounces of milk in this pitcher. This time, we will use a bulk honey packet. Once again, use the tear notch in the colored region of the packet to open it. We then start working the thickener gel out of the packet like rolling a tube of toothpaste. Now take a large spoon and mix for about 30 seconds. You can pour what you need to serve now and store the rest. Next, we will prepare coffee for a number of residents at once, so we have 32 ounces of coffee in this pitcher. This time, we will use a nectar bulk packet. Use the tear notch in the colored region of the packet to open it, and work the thickener gel out of the packet by rolling it from the opposite end of the packet. Then take a large spoon and mix for about 30 seconds. You can pour what you need immediately. Coffee thickened with SimplyThick EasyMix can be stored in an insulated container or reheated and served later. Residents on thickened liquids can now enjoy their carbonated beverages too. In this demonstration, we will use an individual packet to thicken soda to nectar consistency. Measure 4 ounces of soda into a cup. Be sure the cup is not too full because we will generate some foam during mixing. Add the contents of 1 nectar packet and mix with any handy utensil, a spoon, knife, fork, or even a straw or coffee stirrer until thickened, about 30 seconds. Now the soda is ready to serve immediately. We will now use water to demonstrate using the bottle and pump system to make honey-thick liquids. Measure 4 ounces of water. Add 2 full complete pump strokes to the glass and mix with any handy utensil, a spoon, knife, fork, or even a straw or coffee stirrer until thickened for about 30 seconds. Now the beverage is ready to serve immediately. Next, we will use the bottle and pump system to demonstrate making a pudding-thick beverage. We will use coffee again. Take a 4 ounces cup of coffee and add 4 full complete pump strokes of SimplyThick EasyMix. Then take any handy utensil, a spoon, a fork, even a coffee stirrer or a straw, and mix it until it has thickened for about 30 seconds. Finally, we want to show you an example of the flexibility of SimplyThick EasyMix by using it with ice cream. Take 4 ounces of softened ice cream. In this case, we will thicken it to nectar consistency, so we add 1 complete pump of SimplyThick EasyMix. Then we mix for about 30 seconds, and the ice cream is thickened and ready to serve. Or you can put it in the freezer to make it firmer. Visit our website for monthly and seasonal specialty drinks like milkshakes, frozen margaritas, and many other drinks for special occasions. We also have instructions to use SimplyThick EasyMix to make gelatin and pureed food. As we've demonstrated, SimplyThick EasyMix is simple, easy, and quick. It also allows for greater creativity when making beverages for people with swallowing disorders. For a copy of the SimplyThick mixing instructions and other information, visit us at www.simplythick.com/mixing or give us a call at 1-800-205-7115. Thank you for choosing SimplyThick EasyMix. Your patients will thank you too.